Hi there, welcome back to another lesson with me, Teacher Lindsay. Now today I've got some math word problems for you, all about animals. These cards are from Twinkle and you can find lots of resources on twinkle.com. Let's go. Okay, number 1. 7 ostriches run through the desert. They join a group of 9 ostriches. How many are there now? Pause the video and write a number sentence or equation. Are we using add or subtract? Don't forget to add the equal sign. Okay, number 2. A herd of 11 elephants joins up with another herd of 5. How many elephants are there now? Pause the video to write your number sentence or equation. Ready for number 3? Okay. There are 17 wildebeest on the plain. 9 leave to find water. How many are on the plain now? Do you think we are adding or subtracting? Pause the video and write your number sentence or equation. Time for number 4. 14 meerkats are foraging for food. An eagle flies over and 7 run away. How many are left? Do you think it will be more than 14 or less than 14? If it's less, do we use add or subtract? Pause the video and write your number sentence or equation. Number 5. 13 vultures are sitting in a tree. 5 more fly down to join them. How many vultures are in the tree? Pause the video and write your number sentence or equation. Well done. Last one. Number 6. 20 wildebeest are grazing. 12 get scared and run away. How many wildebeest are left? Pause the video and write your number sentence or equation. That's great! Your homework is to write your 6 answers on a piece of paper, then send me a photo. Can you make up your own animal word problem? See you soon!